As I was going over the far-famed Kerry Mountains, I met with Captain Farrell and his money he was counting. I first produced me pistol, I then produced me rapier, saying, "Stand and deliver, for you are a bully saviour with your rig-num-a-dur-um-a-daw. Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar." I counted out his money and it made a pretty penny. I put it in me pocket and I brought it home to Jenny. She sighed and she swore that she would ne'er deceive me, but the devil take the women, you never can believe 'em with your rig-num-a-dur-um-a-daw. Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. I went on to me chambers all for to take a slumber, dreamt of gold and jewels and for sure it was no wonder. Jenny took me charges and she filled them up with water, sent for Captain Farrell to be ready for the slaughter with your rig-num-a-dur-um-a-daw. Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. 'Twas early in the morning, just before I rose to travel. The guards were all around me and likewise Captain Farrell. I first produced me pistol, for she'd stolen away me rapier. I couldn't shoot the water, a prisoner I was taken with your rig-num-a-dur-um-a-daw. Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. With your rig-num-a-dur-um-a-daw. Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. If anyone can aid me, it's my brother in the army. I don't know where his station is, in Cork or in Killarney. If he'll come and join me, we'll go roving through Kilkenny. I swear he'll treat me better than me own misfortune Jenny with your rig-num-a-dur-um-a-daw. Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar with your rig-num-a-dur-um-a-daw. Whack fall